Hey, what's up you guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video, and today is a fan edition video. Also today is the giveaway instructions for the next video for that 5,000 subscriber mark. And honestly, man, without you guys, this would not be possible. And instead of doing the old typical this, that, we are going to give thanks where thanks is due. Thanks to all of you guys, the viewers. Without you guys, without the fans, without the much love in different cities, countries, the states, doesn't matter. It is because you guys keep this channel growing. The wife has definitely helped with this channel, either with her presence or whether she is in the backstage behind the camera doing all the YouTube studio work, all that goody stuff. Thanks to one big shout out to the sister-in-law for making plenty of cool shirts, cool designs. Man, I've gotten plenty of people just asking, what is that shirt that you're wearing? And they became subscribers based off of those shirts. So big shout out to the sister-in-law, big shout out to my brother because he married her. So good for him for doing a good job of there. Thank you for all the guys on the Facebook groups. If I've done business with you, maybe I've just chimed in on someone's comments or posts or anything like that. Thank you guys as well. You guys are all cool in my opinion. So if I didn't get a chance to say thank you to the people that probably think they should get one, go ahead and thank yourself. And sorry if I forgot about you. But anyways, again, thank you guys again. Now, if you want to take part in the 5K subscriber giveaway, I don't know what we're going to do yet, okay? I don't know. But anyways, in this video, there's going to be some kind of secret word that displays on the screen, your screen, my screen. It's going to be on everybody's screen, okay? You're going to write down that word down below in the comments along with the tag giveaway, okay? So giveaway and then those secret words that again be displayed within this video, and then you'll be entered in for a nice drawing for a nice lovely giveaway. Okay, so with that being said, let's finally get into this fragrance. And today again, it's a fan edition video, and I have to thank one special Joe Roman for this one. And he has a YouTube channel as well, does fragrance videos as well. Definitely gave me a shout out a few times in some of his videos. And one of the videos I'm going to leave down in the description below that I want you to watch is one of the Facebook groups I put out there. Hey, does anyone want to take part of a mystery box giveaway? Okay, he was one. I think I had maybe like 5 different secret boxes, but he was one of the first. And the video of him pulling out stuff by stuff, whether it was toothpaste, beard balm, deodorant, whether it was moisturizer, whether it was colognes, whether it was a t-shirt. Just watching him do that was just amazing. Great entertainment. So I'll leave that down below. But anyways, the man was nice enough to actually just send me, I think he bought it and had it shipped straight directly to me. Asked me for my address. Said, hey, I'm just going to throw a cheap fragrance your way. Now, I'm not sure if he just assumes because I do all these damn cheap videos. He was like, yeah, I'm going to send you a cheap one, cheapskate. Just kidding, Joe. But he was like, which one of your favorite cheap clone, cheap houses, if you will, okay? And I told him, I like Franck Olivier. I think he has a very good amount of decent fragrances. You got the vanilla oud. You have my favorite Black Touch. You have Amber, which is my favorite. But then you got this one that he just got to me, and that is this Blue Touch. And again, I'm just assuming it's going to be a nice, simple blue, easy to wear, people-pleasing, out the shower, who knows. But again, thank you, Mr. Joe, for this. I appreciate it. And I'm actually going to make this the fragrance of the night. And, you know, get to 5,000 subscribers, and you probably just assume to yourself, hey, this guy should be wearing a tuxedo. But I'm wearing what most likely all of you guys are wearing right now as I'm doing this video. It's about 8 p.m. at Central Time, so wherever you're at, You're probably in a white tee right now too. Draws, butt naked, thong. I don't know what you're wearing nowadays. But whatever you're wearing, keep it down below, okay? Don't stand up in your videos. Don't stand up. If you're sitting by a window and you don't have the blinds down or nothing, don't stand up, okay? Stay seated. Just like I'm going to stay seated in this video because it's draws, okay? Anyways, we open that up and boom, take a look at that. Just similar to the black bottle. I believe it's similar to the vanilla oud bottles as well, but look at that. Nice blue. Again, it's not super duper heavy, and honestly, it feels kind of cheap. The cap is cheap. Everything about this is kind of cheap, but you know what? I like that blue bottle. It's definitely going to look nice in the collection right next to that Franck Olivier black, which black I actually like a lot. It's kind of like a dirty, citrusy, earthy smell, which is very good. But let's get into this and see what this one is all about. Blue Touch. Oh yeah, big shout out, big thank you to the dog for his occasional barks throughout the series of videos. And honestly, some of you guys have probably became subscribers just because you've seen this dog's head appear in somewhere, some fashion of your screen. And you said, you know what, he has a cool dog. Boom, subscribe. So big shout out, big thanks to the dog. Maybe he'll get a friendly thank you zap later. I don't know. But here we go. Here we go. Blue Touch. See if it's touched by a little bit of blue. Oh yeah, definitely nice and blue and kind of shower jelly right at the top. It's very nice actually. It's very, very bright and citrusy. It's kind of got this green. It kind of almost smells like maybe a more green and fresher take of, to me, Aqua de Jo. It's kind of has that similarity, that smell when you get close to it, but a little bit more like watery, maybe a little bit more green in that face. It's bright. It's citrusy. It's kind of green. It's kind of, you know, I think there's probably going to be some woods in the dry down most likely, but again, in the air, this is just a nice, easygoing, people-pleasing fragrance. It's not going to blow anyone's socks off. No, it's not. It's not going to, it probably won't turn heads because, again, this scent has definitely been done before. Again, to me, in the air, it smells like Aqua de Jo. Not the Profumo. It doesn't have that kind of that more mature scent like Profumo does. That little bit of incense that kind of makes it a little bit more mature. But it does smell similar, in my opinion, to Aqua de Jo, the original, in the air. Okay, you guys think of Aqua de Jo as probably one of the biggest selling fragrances of all time. I think it probably is still #1, but definitely getting that wood now. That wood is starting to creep through again. So again, you got this blue. That's not blue as in like something in there is blue, okay? You got this blue. When I think of blue, I just think of a nice, easygoing, wearing fragrance. Something you can wear in daytime, something you can wear to work, something you can wear to the gym, something you can wear around the house. Versatile fragrance, okay? You're not going to wear this at the, you know, the snowmobile games or anything like that. You're not going to rock this at the next Kwanzaa party or New Year's Eve party, not like that. But it is a good all-day, all-around, people-pleasing blue fragrance. And again, in my opinion, it smells similar to Aqua de Jo, or maybe it might even be 360's Perry Ellis Red, because I've never smelled that one. But some people say they actually prefer that over Aqua de Jo. Who knows? But you know, again, that's kind of what I'm getting. Aqua de Jo, a little bit more maybe on the green side, and then a little bit of that woods that starts creeping through. And that is what you get with that Franck Olivier Blue Touch. Now, again, like I said, I'm going to make this the fragrance of the night. And again, I'm going to rock it. Now, would I say, you know, honestly, I wasn't, you know, when people think of blue, cheap fragrances, automatically what comes to mind is some Nauticas, okay? Honestly, I like the way this smells over Nautical Voyage. Okay, so if you are looking between that and this, you know, definitely get this. Now, the only thing is Nautical Voyage you could pretty much get at any rack store almost at any given time. You just walk in and they're most likely going to be sitting there $19, and if they ever go on clearance, you're going to get it for about $16, okay? These Franck Oliviers, you're never going to see these in the rack stores. Maybe if anyone has them, Burlington might secretly sometimes have them, because Burlington sometimes has the secret goods, okay? But I would rock this, again, over that. Over anything Adidas. You guys know Adidas, some of those Adidas fragrances are kind of expensive. Even the cheapies. Like, now my favorites was all time was the Move. That stuff was so iconic in the days, the high school iconic days. Adidas Move, that was a pretty good one. But I mean, if you're looking for a cheap blue fragrance, you don't want to get Nautica because you don't want to smell like everyone else. Here's the thing, because this smells a little bit like Aqua de Jo, you might smell a little outdated, but again, Aqua de Jo smells good, so if you got to rock this just to work, especially if you work around old people, hell, you might just bring back nostalgia for some of those people. So with that being said, Mr. Joe Roman, thank you. I really appreciate that. Big shout out to you, homie. And again, big shout out to everyone that has joined along on this 5K subscriber journey. And again, let's see where this can go. Maybe 10,000 next, 15, 20, who knows where this is going. But it has been a pleasure doing these videos for you guys. So with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.